again an important rule is product rule. Now product, what do we understand by product? Means when two things are in multiplication, right? So when two things are in multiplication over here, two functions are in multiplication such that I cannot write it as a whole, like sin x into cos x. So if I have to differentiate this type of function, what will I do? So we have a rule for these type of functions. For what type of function? Where we cannot multiply and write them as 1, like sin x into cos x, or x sin x, or root x into cos x, or tan x, anything of these type where we cannot actually multiply and write them as one function. So there we apply product rule. It can be 2, it can be more than 2. Right? Right now I am taking 2. The same rule can be generalized for more than 2 as well. So how do we differentiate? We write it as y dash or dy by dx. We write the derivative of first function and multiply it by the second plus vice versa. Over here I can reverse the process because it is plus sign over here. So whatever function I take first, I'll take 1. We have to remember, we have to differentiate 1 once and we have to keep the other function as it is. एक को लेना है, दूसरे को differentiate करना है, plus फिर vice versa, opposite करना है of whatever we did before, right? So now, if I move on to this question, how will I apply the rule? Sin x into cos x. So what I'll do, I'll take this as first and this as second. So I'll keep this as it is, or I'll write the derivative of this. So to represent the derivative, first of all, when you are doing it first time, do write it like this, and once you are through with this whole thing and you know, now you are confident that you can do, no need of writing this step. So sin x the derivative, then cos x as it is, plus we will say sin x as it is and the derivative of cos x, right? So now the derivative of sin x is cos x, this cos x as it is, plus sin x, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right? So it will be written like this, cos square x minus sin square x. So in trigonometry we did this formula as cos 2x, so I can write it as cos 2x, or I can leave it at that particular step, right? So this is how we apply product rule. Now what will happen, we will have product rule and chain rule together. So we will have a complex function kind of a expression, right? So let's move on to that particular question. Suppose I have a question like this. Okay, suppose I have this question number 6 of exercise 5.2. So what we observe over here, we have two things in multiplication, 1 and 2nd. And if I observe the functions closely, somehow different parts are there. So first thing that will come to our mind is, how will I know पहले chain rule लगाना है कि पहले product rule लगाना है? What you will see, given a question, first of all, if it is written as multiplication of two functions, we will apply product rule, right? And then when we will differentiate a particular function individually, then we will apply chain rule. This is the key word that you have to remember. So given the first thing, when I look at this question, what do I observe? That two functions are in multiplication. So what I'll do, I'll apply product rule. So product rule says, I'll write the derivative of this, I'll keep this as it is, plus vice versa. Vice versa means उल्टा करना है. I'll just write the derivative of this and इसको as it is रखेंगे, right? Now what I'll do, I'll just write the derivative of cos x cube. Now if I differentiate this, तो क्या ध्यान रखना है, इसको derivative, इसका derivative लिखने के लिए can I write the derivative directly, or I have to apply the chain rule. Chain rule कब लगाना है? When we have power, function and angle, right? So what I'll observe, given a function like this, can I write the derivative directly? No, because x has power as 3. So हमें chain rule लगाना पड़ेगा, right? Whatever functions we discussed before, अगर as it is function नहीं present है, then we will apply our chain rule, right? These are the key words which everybody has to remember. So what I'll observe for applying chain rule, power है, power नहीं है, whole power नहीं है, because ये power किसकी है? This is the power of x only, right? So this is not the power of the whole function. ये power सिर्फ x की है, तो whole power नहीं है. Then we will move on to function. So cos का derivative क्या होता है? Minus sin x cube. I'll just write as it is. So cos को cut कर देते हैं. Then x cube का derivative. What is the derivative of x cube? It will be 3x square, right? This as it is, तो इसको sin square x5 I'll write as it is, right? So इसका हो गया. Now if I move on to this part, I'll again observe, does this function has whole power? यहाँ पे whole power है. What is the whole power? It is 2. So I'll differentiate power first, then angle, and then the then function, and then the angle, right? So 2 sin x5 power का हो गया, sin का derivative, it will be cos x5, फिर x5 का derivative, x5 का derivative will be 5x4, and then this cos x cube will be as it is, right? So over here, what do we observe? If you feel you can take common some certain thing, you can take it out common, otherwise you can leave it here as well. यहाँ पे we are observing that common यहाँ पे x square आ सकता है, and I can have sine as common. So I will just take it out as common. So we will write x square common. So it will be minus 3 sine x5. I'll just write sine also. So x square and sine x5 common. So it will be minus 3x cube, and over here this will be 1 sine x5 plus this will be 5 into 2, 10. x2 is outside, so it will be x2, and x5 has gone, so it will be cos x5 cos x cube, right? So this is how we can solve a particular question. We can use product rule, we can use chain rule together, right? I'll just do one more question of product rule and chain rule together. Suppose we have a question like this. So we have like tan 7x4 and this is sec root x. So these two things are there. So how do I differentiate it using first thing? Will product rule be applied over here? Yes, because these two functions are in multiplication. I cannot differentiate this whole function, treat it as one function and differentiate it in one go, right? पहली बात. दूसरी बात क्या है? दो फंक्शन दिख रहे हैं, they are in multiplication, so I can use product rule, right? So product rule लगाने के लिए क्या करना है? I'll just take one first function का derivative and second as it is, then vice versa. So this derivative and this as it is, right? अब if I observe the first function, अब इसका derivative करना है, तो इसके derivative में will I apply chain rule? Yes, because I have a power, I have a function and I have an angle, right? So what is the whole power? 7. So I will just differentiate it as 7 tan 6x4. So power का हो गया. Then function tan theta. So what is the derivative? Sec square x4. So function हो, power हो गया, function हो गया. Then what is the angle? Angle is x4, so it will be 4x cube. So we have differentiated this whole. This I'll write as it is over here. Plus, अब इसका derivative करना है. So does the whole function has any whole part? No. The power is only on x. So what is the derivative of secant theta? It is secant theta tan theta, right? Then function हो गया. I'll just see the angle. Root x is the angle, so derivative is 1 upon 2 root x, right? And this I'll write as it is. If you feel the function has come out to be a complex function, don't take anything common, just write it as it is. These are 1 markers or 2 markers question. What is the basic thing? That you have to write the correct derivative and you have to apply the correct rule, right?